See in the question number 4, it is given that how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of each of its interior angle it is given that 165. Previous one it is the exterior angle it was given 24 degree. Okay, exterior angle it was given for which the formula it was 360 divided by exterior angle. Here it is interior angle it is given 165. See, regular polygon, suppose the polygon may be just like this. Suppose here it is one of the angle it is suppose 165, this one 165, 165, 165, 165. So it means exterior angle it is how much? Regular polygon interior angle 165. So for which its exterior angle it is our 15 degree. Why? Because exterior and its interior angles both are the linear pair angles. Okay, so it means it is given the interior angle, so it means indirectly it is said that the exterior it is how much? It is given exterior it is our 15 degree. Indirectly given. It is the tricky question. Previous one exterior angle it was given because the formula related to our exterior angle. Here it is a tricky question. Regular polygon, its interior angle it is 165. So for which its exterior angle it is our 15 degree. So you know very well that exterior angle it is given. So the number of sides it is 360 degree divided by each of the exterior angles 15 degree, which is equal to 15 2 ja 30. Here it is 60. 15 4 ja 60. Easy or difficult? Little bit trick is there within the question. Okay, here it is interior given, you have to find out exterior, then after you just have to put the formula. Ready? Next in the question number 5 it is given, is it possible that a regular polygon having the exterior angle it is 24 degree? A regular polygon, its exterior angle it is 24 degree. Is it possible or not possible? See, a regular polygon, its exterior angle it is 24. It means that polygon having how many number of sides? Exterior angle it is given. Regular polygon, each of the exterior angle it is given. So we just have to check that polygon having how many sides. If the number of sides, we will get it as the whole number. So then after we can say that yes, the polygon it is possible. So for which that polygon, to detect it is which type of a polygon, so here the formula it was said to you 360 degree divided by each of the exterior angles. So each of the exterior angle whenever I will put, so then after I will find that polygon having how many number of sides. If the number of sides it is wholly number, then after I can say that yes, that type of a polygon it is possible. Because the formula of to get the number of sides of that polygon, it is 360 degree divided by exterior angles, each of the exterior angles. So for which here 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 0. On cancellation it gives us 15. So for which yes, this type of polygon it is possible. Why this type of a polygon it is possible? Whenever the exterior angle it is our, each of the exterior angle it is our 24 degree. So at that time the number of sides the polygon having it is our 15. So it means whenever we will choose any of the polygon having 15 number of sides and it is the regular polygon. So for which in that case each of the angle measure 100%, it will be our 24 degree. Ready? First question solved. Then next one it is given, can it be possible if it is the interior angles? A regular polygon, previous one it is solved whenever 24 degree it is the interior. But whenever 24 degree it is the exterior, see, can it be possible whenever it is the interior angle? Acha, 24 it is interior, it means 24 degree interior. Whenever 24 degree interior, it means we want exterior. Actually we want to check the polygon it is possible or not possible. So polygon it is possible or not possible, how to check? Number of sides that polygon has, how many numbers. So for this, to get the number of sides, I want the exterior angle of each of the exterior angle of the regular polygon. Here it is interior, it is 24 degree regular polygon. So exterior it will be 180 minus 24 degree, which is equal to 10 4 6. Here it is 7 2 5, which is our 156, it is our exterior. Whenever regular polygon having the interior 24 degree, it means exterior it is 156. Why we got the exterior? Because to get the number of sides, we want the each of the exterior angles. Okay, so each of the exterior angle we got it as the 156. So for which number of sides formula it is, see, number of sides formula it is 360 degree divided by each of the exterior, means 156 degree. Okay, so now we just have to solve. 4 3 12, 36, 4 9 36. Here 4 9 36. Here it is 0. Here it is 3 1 3, 3 3 9. Here 3 means 30. Here we are getting it as the 30 by 13, which is not a whole number. Can I say it as the polygon having 30 by 13? It is the number of sides. Otherwise, we can say it as the 2 whole 4 by 13. So can I say, if it is 2, then after I can say that the polygon having 2 number of sides. So can I say to anyone a polygon having 2 whole 4 by 13 side? So which is quite impossible. So for which the interior angle having 24 degree measure, it is impossible. Understood why it is impossible? Because number of sides it should be whole. Number of sides may be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, just like this. So is it possible that we will get the number of sides it is 2 whole 4 by 13? So which is quite impossible. Okay. See in the question number 6. It is given that what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum angle possible for a regular polygon. See, actually our regular polygon discussion, it starts from triangle. See, the minimum number of sides of a polygon, it is triangle. Then after, it is our square. 4-sided, it is our square. 5-sided, it is our regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. So for which we will do the discussion only on the 3 example. See, here it is. See, as it is the regular polygon and it is the smallest polygon. Polygon having the least number of sides. Here we know that the each of angles it is 60 degree. And here it is the each of the angle it is square, means each of the angle it is 90 degree. And here it is each of the angle it is total it is our 540. So each angle it will be divided by 5. So it means 5 1 is 5, 40, 5 8 is 40. So here it is 108. So whenever we are observing that the regular polygon from the least number of sides, interior angle it is our 60 degree. Here it is each of the interior angle of a regular polygon, 4 sides 90 degree, 5 sides 180 degree. So whenever the number of sides of the polygon is increasing, so we are getting that the each of the interior angle also comparatively also it is increasing. Understood or not understood? So for which one it is the smallest angle? So this one it is the regular polygon having the 3 side having the interior angle 60 degree. It is the minimum angles. Understood? So question it is asked, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? It is our 60 degree, because the regular polygon having the least number of sides, it is our equilateral triangle, and in the equilateral triangle our interior angles it will be our 360 degree divided by 180 degree divided by 3, which is our 60 degree. Ready? See, just like this question its answer it is our 60 degree. So whenever we are observing, here it is the interior angle 60, then after 90, then after 108. So on increasing the number of sides, also each of the interior angle it is increasing. So for which the least number of angles, least angle measure, it has the triangle. So for which triangle is the polygon which having the minimum interior angles, and the value it will be 60 degree. Number of sides here, and here it is 180 degree. Next question it is given that which one it is the maximum exterior angle possible. Maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. See, maximum exterior angle. See, here the interior it is 60. It means exterior it is 120. Here it is 90 degree. So here it is also exterior it is also 90. Here it is 180 degree. So it means 108 means this one it will be 72 degree. See one thing. So from the polygon having least number of sides, each exterior angle it is 120. Then after decreasing 90. Then after 72. So tell me which one it is the maximum. Which one it is the maximum measure? So maximum measure it is our 120 degree. So remember one thing. Minimum angle measure for a regular polygon it is happening in the triangle. Also maximum exterior angle also it is happening for also in the triangle. It may come in the exam which regular figure having the minimum interior angle also maximum exterior angle. It may be minimum interior angles, otherwise it may be the maximum exterior angles. Always that figure, otherwise that polygon, always it is our equilateral triangle. Understood? Okay. So all this discussion you just have to write in your note copy. Anywhere any difficulties, feel free to talk to me. Okay. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.